Welcome back, guys. Okay, welcome back, guys, to part 3 of the Vespa project build. Let's show you what we're going to be doing today. So today's plan is we're going to be changing the rear tyre and the rear rim from the standard one to this is the Pinasco modular tubeless tyre, and it's a lot lighter, looks a lot nicer, and the tyres we've got Dunlop Scootsmart. So like I said back in the revealing video where the tyres that are on currently the S1s aren't very good, this should provide a lot more traction and basically just improve handling really. So yeah, so we got this wheel to fit today just on the back. We will be getting another one for the front, so again that'll be another video. And of course here we've got the Pinasco box with its instructions, don't need that. And we've got all the nuts to obviously put on, so brand new nuts. So yeah, that is today's first plan, is to do this wheel. So let's jack it up and let's get on with it. We've got the two side by side. We've got the old original Piaggio wheel rims, and we've got the Michelin S1s next to the new Pinasco tubeless tyres with the Dunlop Scootsmarts. So that should really make the front end look a lot nicer. And if we just head to the front as well, and we get that done as well with the Pinasco rims, the black with sort of the chromish bolts, should look really cool. Yeah, looking forward to doing this little upgrade. Yeah, should be nice. And yeah, let's jack the bike up and let's fit these wheels. Another thing we've got as well is we've got a new headlight surround for the Vespa, so in black. So that should just go on the front like that and should make it look a lot nicer. So yeah, we've got 2 upgrades today. We're going to do the wheels first and then we'll do this next. Right, so if we just get this out of the packaging. There we go. There's the headlight surround, as you can see. Okay, so on the headlight surround, we've got this slit here, and if I just show you, under here, you can see there's a screw. And then next thing, I believe, as you can see, there's a groove in here with this sort of like piece of metal that's slightly bendy. I believe that this thing there will slot in right in the top up there, slide in through there, although there's not much of a gap, but I believe that will be that. Remove the headset first, like the top part, take it off, and then we'll be able to slide that in and sort of act as like a gripper on the top. Again, I'm just winging this, so let's give it a go. So now we've taken the bolts out, it's a bit loose, which you can see there's now a bit more of a gap to play with. So technically now this should be able to slide in easier, like that. With the gap that we've just created by unbolting it, should allow the thing to slide in. Okay, so I've just taken it off and readjusted. Basically, you need to make sure that the sort of tongue at the top there, you lift up this part and make sure it slides sort of behind the light, because there's a flat bit towards the back, which obviously means you can see it fits nice and comfortably in there. And then obviously with the underneath, you need to make sure that it's lined up with the original cuts. But yeah, that's it on properly. So let's just put the screws back in. Okay, so I've had to take it off because I've run into a bit of a problem, and it's just typical, isn't it really? saying it should take 5 minutes takes about 14 years. But I just thought I might as well point this out, just so if you guys doing the same thing, unless you're an idiot like me, then you know what the problem is. But so yeah, in here, obviously under there, I was trying to put the screw in. It's like, it's not catching on anything, but this is what you got to look out for. In the headset will be these. I don't know if it's meant to be like that, but obviously it's a screw. It's what the screw goes into. And as I was moving the headlight, I pushed it back, meaning there was nothing for the bottom screw to screw into. So be careful of that, because it will probably move. I don't know if it's meant to move or not, but yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know, just so you know, if you can't find the screw entrance, it's because this is what it actually screws into, and if you've moved the headlight, then it's moved back, so it's not in the hole. So yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know. So a bit of an update, and genuinely about 10 minutes later, I managed to get the screw in with, I have no idea if you can see this, but yeah, the thing is basically screwed in there now. And what I used to hold the inside, because obviously it would just spin, or if you try to push it in there, I used a little spring puller to sort of just hold it so I could put it in. So after about 15 years and about 27 attempts, we've finally got it on. It's on now, and it looks good, I think. Let me know what you think, guys, of it. I think it adds a little bit to it, sort of breaks up the white slightly. And also thinking of maybe going black on here, and obviously replacing the lug, but getting black one of these as well. So then it'll look quite nice, and will contrast the white quite well. So yeah, that's the first one. So now, well, it took a bit longer than I thought, to be honest, but next up, we're going to be lifting up the back of the bike and putting this wheel on. So let's do it. That now is the rear wheel off. So just here, as we can see, Dad's going to get clean, and because he likes doing that stuff because it's weird. And then we're going to put this new Pinasco rear wheel on. Okay, so I believe Dad's finished his cleaning duties. It's now time for me to fit the wheel. That's looking quite nice. What do you guys think? Please let me know. Okay, so it's time to fit this wheel. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take out this lower piece, meaning it'll be a bit easier to slide the wheel on. And I've been doing some research, and luckily my grandpa's given me a torque wrench, and I've looked up, and I believe it's about 16 to 18 Newton meters of torque to do the rear wheel nuts. So we will do that now. There we have it. That's the front old wheel off. As you can see, it looks slightly unusual without it. But now we're going to be putting this thing on. There we go. So that's the wheel now on. I think it looks much better. and this valve clears. Obviously there's nothing to it, unlike the rear one, so that's good. Now we're just going to tighten it up, torque the screws, torque the bolts, and yeah, we'll pull it out and show you what it looks like. Okay, so there we have it, guys. We've got the new wheel rim on. Don't worry, we will be sorting out this rear brake hub. Obviously we're not going to keep it like that. In terms of the wheels, we're going to get the back one painted silver as well, we think, and obviously with black on the front as well, which we've ordered. It's going to look really nice. So yeah, there it is, guys. The next upgrade: the wheels, the wheel rims, and obviously the headset, which I think looks quite nice. Yeah, it's coming on quite nicely, to be fair. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy the video. I did, although it was a bit of a pain at times. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed episode 3. Next upgrade coming soon, so stay tuned. Make sure you've got post notifications on. Please subscribe if you haven't already and like the video. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next episode. Bye. Yeah, just one more quick thing as well. We're actually about, by the time this video is maybe out, 10 subscribers till we hit 1,000. So I'm thinking of doing a little giveaway. And then obviously we've got Isle of Wight coming up, which I'm going to. So keep posted for any updates on my Instagram, which I'll just tag up there, my Facebook as well, which I'll tag up there, and obviously my YouTube as well. I've got a little idea of something I want to do, sort of just say thank you, and obviously get myself out there a bit more and move on to the next stages of YouTube. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's going to be good. You're going to really want one, trust me. It's going to be really cool. Thanks guys for all the support. Yeah, almost at 1,000. Let's do it. Anyway, thanks guys. Take care.